Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a floral wand for flower girls. It's super cute and I'm sure your girls will love it. Without further ado, let me quickly go through the materials we need and let's get started. I'm using a large white rose as the focal flower and some mini lilac flowers for surrounding it. I'm using a spare flower stem as the wand and ribbons for making balls and wrapping the wand, double-sided tape, pliers, scissors, floral tape, and floral wires. Let's start by preparing the wand. If you're using a wooden dowel, then you can skip to the next step. Let's move on to wiring the focal flower. If yours look like my rose on the left, keep watching, otherwise skip to 125. I hold the flower head tight and keep twisting the stem to pop the flower head off. Then I cut a piece of wire in half and poke them straight into the flower head. You want to make sure they are snuggled nicely in there and the flower head is not wobbly. Then I bend the wires down to make a base to stop the petals from getting drippy. Now we have a wire stem for the rose. If your flower comes with a plastic sepal, you can wire it this way. Take a piece of wire and fold it in half and make a hook. And thread it through the flower. Then bend the wires to wrap round the sepals. And twist the wires together to make a wire stem. Then I trim the wires a little bit shorter and it's ready to be taped onto the wand. Now let's add the mini flowers to encircle the rose. If you're super lazy, you could just tape them on like this, but I would divide them into little bundles of 3 so I can have better control of where they sit and how they sit. Now the little bundles are ready to be taped onto the wand. Obviously I want them to sit evenly on each side of the wand so I could get a full circle of them. Make sure you bend the wires so the mini flowers can snuggle up to the rose nice and tight. To make it even cuter, let's add some ribbon balls. You can adjust the number of loops and the size of the loops to your liking. Fold up a wire and make sure you scrunch up the ribbon real tight and twist at least twice to secure your ribbon ball. Then I make one more and tape them to the wand. Finally, we can wrap the wand with ribbon to finish off. Firstly, I will stick a short piece of ribbon to the bottom of the wand. Then I stick the end of the ribbon to the side and wrap one round the bottom and gently spiral upwards. When I reach the top, I leave about an inch before I cut the ribbon. Then I heat seal it and stick it down with double-sided tape. Here you go, this is how I made this lovely floral wand. I love how the ribbon tails bring movement to it. You can make your wand with whichever flower you like, but I would suggest using 2 different kinds of flowers instead of like rows on rows. Do you prefer making the good old flower basket for your girls? I've got a video on that which you can watch right over here. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.